So hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with lots of important opportunity from various good companies, that is from the Salesforce, from Philips and other important company like hackerearth. So if you are the candidates, freshers, either 2025 or 2026 pass out or 2024 pass out even, then this video gonna important for you. So I will talk some of the important job opportunity. First important job opportunity from the Salesforce. They are looking for the role of software engineering AMTS. So if you have done some internship in Salesforce or have basic knowledge of Salesforce, then you can apply. So BTech graduating in 2026 computer science electrical or equivalent can apply for this, but for this you should have minimum 7.5 CGPA, and I think most of the students will be having. So if you have some knowledge in Salesforce, or if you don't have, then still you can apply for this. And Salesforce, emerging company, and this particular technology have a great demand, but few suppliers are there. That's why there is strong chance of getting selected from this company. Okay, means for this particular profile, that is Salesforce technology. Okay, I have also done internship in Salesforce. So if you want, then you can also do some internship because it will increase your chances. Next important thing that is from the Philips. They are hiring for the role of software technologist 1, and this will be the job description and responsibility. You will do in code review, test strategy, DevOps team, and for that you should have just working knowledge of C++, XML, JSON, REST API, and if you have some experience in AWS, then this will be an additional advantage. Next important thing that is from the hackerearth. They are hiring for the role of technical content engineer intern. So especially I suggest 2027 pass out must apply for this wonderful opportunity, and 2026 can also apply. So must have skill. You should have eagerness to learn. You should have knowledge of SQL and NoSQL database, and good to have experience in multi-programming language like full stack framework and database. So if you are interested, you can apply. And this is for Bangalore, Karnataka region, and I think this is from the different region. Okay, so make sure to apply with the things. Okay, so this is for role of technical content engineer, and this is a technical engineer problem setter programming internship. Okay, so those are just basic difference. So you can apply for this. Next important will be from the AI MD technology. They are looking from the candidates of BTech, MC, MSc, IT background. So if you are interested, you can apply for this wonderful opportunity. Okay, so they are looking for Python intern, AI intern, and QA intern. So if you are interested, just register there and applying now. Okay, so I will provide all the applying link in the description. You can directly apply from there. Next important opportunity that is from the BTech, ME, MTech, MCA 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024 pass out guys. So this is your walk-in drive, and this is today. Okay, so 11th April 11 AM to 3 PM, and this is the locations. That is the Noida, Uttar Pradesh. So if you are interested, you can just walk in there, and for Hyderabad also they are applying. Next important that is from the HCL. They are India is hiring, looking for L3 network engineer with skill set in Cisco. Means if you have some experience in Cisco platform and all those stuff, then you can apply for this wonderful opportunity. Friends, recently we have posted lots of video related to NQT. So if you have been selected for the NQT interview and want to schedule your mock interview with us, then you can fill the form. Okay, we'll provide you complete guidance, and which will basically boost your confidence to clear the interview. So if you want the resume review and other stuff, then you can just fill the form link in the description. Last important opportunity that is from the L&T Technology Services at Kalyani Nagar, Pune. So they are looking for the skill sets of the automation testing engineer. Means these are the experience, so you can ignore that. Sorry for that. So I hope informative to you. If you have any query, feel free to ask a comment here. I feel very happy to help you, and we can connect on LinkedIn or Insta, whatever profile you are comfortable with. मिलते हैं next important job update में. Thank you.